Hi everyone. So it's 30th of January and कल लक्ष्य और मेरी एनिवर्सरी है on 31st of January. So we are completing 3 years together. I'm super excited for tomorrow. हमें 3 साल हो गए हैं साथ में. इतनी खुशी हो रही है सोचकर, पता ही नहीं चला कहाँ पर टाइम गया. And I think ऐसा ही होता है when you are with love of your life. So yes, बस अभी का हमने ज़्यादा कुछ कल प्लान नहीं किया है. बेसिकली अभी मैं ऑफिस में हूँ एंड हमने सोचा है आज से ही हम सेलिब्रेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे. कुछ ऐसे मेजर नहीं करेंगे, बस साथ में टाइम स्पेंड करेंगे, कुछ कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ करेंगे. तो अभी लक्ष्य मुझे लेने आने वाला है एंड देन आई शो यू.
Every night are we paradise seems so far away. Still I try to buy myself some time to get me to that place.
2 hours later.
उसके बाद हमने स्टार्ट किया डेकोरेशन.
Staying up till we want to. Tell you what I bet that we could see it new. I wanna let you, nothing to do.
हम लोग ने सब कुछ डेकोरेट कर दिया पीछे एंड अभी हम मूवी देखेंगे. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. वेरी बेसिक, सिंपल, मिनिमलिस्टिक. आवर फूड इज हियर. देन हमने एनिवर्सरी ईव पे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं किया, बस बहुत सारा खाना ऑर्डर किया, साथ में टाइम स्पेंड किया, चिल किया, मूवी देखी.
But I can't say that we're only friends.
कुछ भी होता है वैसे ही सारा केक खाती है मान्या.
The next day.
उसके बाद अगले दिन बस हम रेडी होकर ऐसे ही थोड़ा घूमने गए.
I just want you under the lights. I just want you.
एंड रात में इट वॉज टाइम फॉर डिनर. इस बार हम बस तीनों गए बिकॉज मम्मी जी की तबीयत ठीक नहीं थी, तो उन्होंने घर पे रेस्ट किया एंड हम तीनों बाहर डिनर के लिए आ गए.
I wanna let you, nothing to do. Let's throw all our worries away. I know that it takes two to get the peace. Tell me, baby, what do you say? 'Cause we were just friends, and now it's something far over. And I bet that we could find a way closer.
हमने बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल इजिप्शियन जगह चूज़ की थी फॉर आवर एनिवर्सरी सेलिब्रेशन. Although it met our expectations in terms of overall ambience, the vibe, but I found the food was okay-ish. Maybe like we are not used to having like Turkish food a lot, so it needs time to develop that taste. But overall, it was a very nice experience. Yes, so that was our sweet little celebration. Then we came home and basically over the time आपको ये realize होता है कि it's not about experiences. आप क्या कर रहे हो आपके special दिन के लिए. What all things are you getting as gifts? What all things are you gifting to each other? It's all about how well the bond is between you two guys and how well are you able to be with each other in terms of how happy you are when you're with each other and how well do you enjoy each other's company without any expectations. So I think after a certain point in time you'll reach that level जहाँ पे you will not expect anything from each other. You will feel like that is my person. whatever I want I can get from him, whatever he wants he can get from me. So then it's always about, you know, reaching that level in your relationship wherein you feel like, okay, everything else doesn't matters at all. The only thing which matters is how like the kind of bond which you have with your partner, how happy you two are when you're with each other. And वो होता है ना कि मतलब एक अगर आप उस इंसान के साथ खुश हो, you can be happy even in the smallest and minimalistic of things without like wanting anything from each other. So I think धीरे धीरे with time every relationship reaches that level, and the most important person in your life is your partner. सब बोलते हैं कि मतलब मेनली सब चले जाते हैं, everyone leaves your life after a certain point, but that one person who remains with you till the end of your life is your partner. So I think it's always important to have a good bond with your partner. Just nurture that bond, maintain that bond, and उसे आप जितना वो कहते हैं ना पानी दे सकते हो उतना दो, उसको जितना आप प्रायोरिटाइज कर सकते हो उतना करो, बिकॉज दैट बॉन्ड इज रियली स्पेशल एंड डेफिनेटली द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट वन. So yes, that was about our sweet little anniversary vlog. I hope आपको अच्छा लगा हो, and अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, because that definitely motivates us to, like, you know, make more videos, generate more content. And yeah, see you in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.